Alright, here's my building extension project. Look at bucket one. What a lump. See, look at this. This is the kind of crap that I get into. Just gotta wonder, like, God, it's never gonna end with this nonsense. It just keeps on happening. So anyway, there's, you know, joists and whatever you call those, sill plates and top plates and all this nonsense. I have to deal with a power tube. It's too close to the building, and just look at this. Looks like a hurricane went through here. Anyway, it's like 15 by 30. So just wanted to give people an idea what get into some of these days up here, up on the beef. Alright, 10-4 out.